Hey guys, welcome to Common Fixes. So we have an GMC or Chevy Express 3500 in the shop today, and it's a 6.6 liter engine. The customer complained about a ticking sound and a misfire on the engine, so we narrowed it down to number 5 cylinder. Number 5 cylinder would be the driver's side, second one from the firewall. So this cylinder here. So all of them, as you can see, they're nice and tight. Nothing is moving except this one. See, this thing is moving. The rest are not moving, and it looks like that's the issue. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the head to check further to see what's going on. Maybe lifters, maybe cam lobe. We'll check it out. Keep you posted. Okay guys, so I put a camera in there in the back of the that lifter, and as you can see in the camera, there's a lot of metal filings, and that metal filings, that whole roller is destroyed, is broken, and also the lifter itself, the end of it has become mushroomed, and I can't even remove that from the side. So all these other lifters came out okay. This one is not coming out. It's seized in there. I can turn it, but I cannot pull it out. Even with the vice grips and everything on it, it's not coming out. The rest just pulled out with a magnet. They slid out easily. But this one on number 5 cylinder, it's not coming out. So with all the metal filings and everything in there, this thing is gonna need an engine. That's gonna be my next step. I'm gonna order a new engine and put it in. Please like and subscribe.